ووٹ صرف اسی کا حق ہے اور ہونا بھی چاہیے جو یہودی کی سرزمین پر کھڑا ہو کر سینے پر ہاتھ رکھ کے کہتا ہے کہ محمد ہمارے دل میں رہتے ہیں، اور پاکستان کی عوام کو بھی چاہیے کہ وہ اسی کو ووٹ دے کیونکہ اس کا حق ہے۔ یہ ہمارے نبی کی بات کرتا ہے، ووٹ ان چوروں کا حق تھی نہیں جو یہودیوں کے ساتھ ملے ہوئے ہیں اور پاکستان کو تباہ کر رہے ہیں۔
Is supposed to be against minorities. Let me just make this clear. In Islam, the Prophet announced that everyone was free to practice his religion. It was a sacred duty to protect the places of worship of all religions. He announced that every person is equal in front of law, whatever his religion or his color. And this incredible case, and I always quote this, that the fourth Khalifa, the head of state of Medina, he lost a court case against a Jewish citizen. So, number one, it showed there was a rule of law, no one was above law. And number two, that a Jewish citizen was an equal citizen. So, Mr. President, when a Muslim society is unjust to its minorities, it is going against the religion of Islam and our Prophet, peace be upon him. So, it is important to understand this. The Prophet lives in our hearts. When he's ridiculed, when he's insulted, it hurts. As we human beings understand one thing, the pain of the heart is far, far, far more hurtful than physical pain. And that's why the Muslims react. And I always thought that if I ever had the stage, I would try and explain this to the world community, especially to the Western community, because having lived in the Western community, people didn't understand this. When I first went as a teenager to England, there was a comedy film on Jesus Christ. It's unthinkable in Muslim societies. So we need to explain that, look, in a human community, we must be sensitive to what causes pain to other human beings. We have, in the Western society, and quite rightly, the Holocaust is treated with sensitivity because it gives the Jewish community pain. That's all we ask. That do not use freedom of speech to cause us pain by insulting our Holy Prophet. That's all we want.